Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to video call on Netflix Party. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To be able to make video calls while streaming TV shows and movies with your friends or families, you'll need to go ahead and download an extension on your Google Chrome, which is called Vemos. Simply open up your Google Chrome web browser and in the search bar type in Vemos extension and make your search. Click on the first link that you see on the search result and this will take you to Chrome Web Store. You can simply click on Add to Chrome right next to the extension from this page. In the pop-up, select Add Extension and the extension has been added to your Chrome. Now, type in netflix.com into the search box. Once you do that, make sure you're logged into your Netflix account. Click on the extension icon in the top right and go to Vemos. Now, allow Vemos to run on netflix.com by clicking on this button and from the pop-up, select Allow. Click on the extension one more time and you'll be able to see a button that says Start Watching Together. Click it on. Once you do that, you should see an overlay over Netflix. Now from this screen, you can copy the invite link by clicking on this button right here and send the link to your friends that you want to join into your Netflix party. At the top of the screen, you'll be able to see that your soundbar is reacting according to the voice. That means you're being able to communicate with the extension through voice. If you'd like to make a video call, click on the camera button at the top toolbar and you'll be able to see that your video is displayed on the screen. In order to install the Vemos extension before clicking the invite link, your friend should simply follow the same process as you did, and that is it. You can start streaming your favorite TV shows or movies and at the same time interact with your friends and families through sounds and video call. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.